This video will explore how the Smarter Balance reporting system can be used by administrators to view assessment data and manage instructional supports. We will be using a sandbox environment throughout this video, which mimics the reporting systems with simulated student data. Keep in mind, some states have slightly different configurations and may refer to some elements by a different name. We are going to start on the home page. It has several important features. They include the user guide, which describes the features of the reporting system and instructions for navigating, the interpretive guide, which helps users interpret Smarter Balance assessment results, and My Reports, that shows all of the reports generated to date. From the home page, you can use administrator tools to analyze and manage data. This includes the Custom Aggregate Report to create a customized report of student performance, district and school exports to export data for analysis in another application, student groups to create and manage student groups for teachers, instructional resources to upload links to instructional resources in the system, and Embargo to manage embargoes of summative results. Administrators can also search by individual student or school. To search by student, enter the student's statewide student identifier, also referred to as SSID, and select Search. To search by school, enter the school name and grade and select Search. Let's start by looking at the different tools available. First, we are going to look at the Custom Aggregate Report button. This report allows you to create, export, and save a summary of student performance. There are 4 types of Custom Aggregate Reports. These are Yearly Report, Longitudinal Report, Claim Report, and Target Report. A yearly report summarizes assessment performance for student populations from 1 or more grade levels for 1 or more years. A longitudinal report tracks the summative assessment performance for a student population as they progress through different grades. A claim report breaks down performance data by claim. And a target report breaks down performance by claim and target for the summative assessment. It is important to note user supports or information icons are provided throughout the system via help text. You can select the icon and view information relevant to the data. These reports can be generated using data and filters. The data can be selected and aggregated based on schools and districts, assessment attributes, subgroup and advanced filters, and, for some reports, customized subgroups. The next tool on the home page is the District and School Exports. It allows you to download a comprehensive file of all student assessment results in a specific school year. Start by selecting the District and School Exports button. Name your report and select the school year. You can select all schools or choose schools from the drop-down list and select Add. School administrators are only able to export their school. District administrators are able to export the entire district, a group of schools, or a single school. To complete the report, select the Create Report button. This takes you to the My Reports page. The My Reports page displays all of the reports a user has created and allows them to use the following features: View Report, Download Report Data, View Report Query, Save Report Query, and Delete Report. Let's go back to the home page and look at how to create and manage student groups for teachers. Student groups is where you can create and manage a roster of students for a teacher. A student group could represent all the students in a teacher's classroom or students working with a specific teacher, like an interventionist. To view this area, select the Student Groups button. There are 4 options that appear. You can search for an existing group by selecting the school, school year, and subject, or search groups by name. In addition, you can upload files of student group information to update or create new groups using the Upload Groups button. You can also view groups that have been uploaded previously by selecting View Uploads. For additional information about managing student groups, refer to the user guide. The next tool available on the homepage is Instructional Resources. This feature is normally available for district administrators only. This page helps manage links to instructional resources for interim assessments. For each interim assessment, there are links to the related Smarter Balance Connections playlist. Connections playlists are resources for educators that connect interim assessment results with ideas for instructional next steps and classroom resources. For example, educators can use them to support students by using performance progressions to understand and interpret students' interim assessment results, plan instruction by using descriptions of student performance to inform and plan instructional next steps, and take action by using educator-created classroom ideas and resources to support student success. Select the Instructional Resources button on the homepage. This page allows you to view, manage, and create instructional resources linked to individual assessments. To create an instructional resource link, click the Create button. A pop-up will appear. You will start by searching for an assessment in the Search for an Assessment field. Search for the intended organization. Select the performance level that applies to the resource, and enter the URL of the instructional resource. The last tool on the homepage is Embargo. This feature allows administrators to determine when summative assessment results are released. To view the Embargo feature, select the Embargo button. Users with the Embargo Administrator role can control when the embargo is lifted for their district or state and can preview the test results online prior to release. This video explored how the Smarter Balance reporting system can be used by administrators to view assessment data and manage instructional supports to inform next steps to support student learning. We hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching.